Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this broccoli and carrot soup. This is a very nice and tasty soup. Nowadays we get broccoli in abundance and it's a season for broccoli. So do try this recipe. I'm using very simple ingredients for this recipe. I'll be using chopped onions, carrots. Broccoli and carrots should be equal amount. Broccoli. Then we need ginger and garlic, bay leaf, chilies, white pepper powder, and fresh cream is optional. You can use it or leave it out. Now here in a wok, I'll be adding all the ingredients, leaving the cream apart, and I've not added the white pepper powder right away. So I'll add all the ingredients. Here you can see I've also used the broccoli stem. I've cleaned it, peeled it, and I've used it. Now I'll be adding water. We'll cover this and cook this till all the ingredients are nicely cooked, till it's mushy. So I have covered and cooked it for 10 minutes. Here you can see my broccoli, carrot and onion is cooked. I removed it from the flame. It's still warm, but it is not hot. So I'm just going to grind this. But before grinding, I removed all the bay leaf. I've drained the broccoli and carrot a little bit and then added it to a mixer jar for me to grind it easily. We will not waste any of that water. That water will be used in the soup. So don't waste it. Just drain the broccoli and add it and reserve that soup water. We need that soup water. Now here once I've added it to a mixer jar, I'm going to cover it and grind it into a smooth paste. Once I've finished grinding it, I'll transfer it back to the wok. You can taste at this point. It is very nice and tasty without the salt. Now you need to add that water which we reserved earlier. I just washed that mixie down with that water and I've transferred that water. And to this, at this point, you need to add salt as per your taste. Once you add the salt, you can reheat it and serve it hot as per your preference. It is still warm for me, so I'm going to serve this warm. Now I'll add the salt and pepper powder and serve it warm. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. This is a very simple soup to put together and it's excellent for kids and entire family. It's very nutritious and excellent. Try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now you can also use chili powder to cook the soup. I've used chilies because many people prefer to use chili powder. You can use chili powder, not an issue at all. Instead of chilies, you can use chili powder. But you need to boil that chili powder. Once you finish grinding the soup, you add the chili powder and then boil it. Like how we boil the chilies here, you can't boil the chili powder along with the vegetables and then grind it. It gives a bitter taste. So once you grind the soup, then add the chili powder, reheat it and serve it warm. Now here you can see I've garnished it with some fresh cream and sprinkled some chili powder and white pepper powder. That is up to your preference. You can add chili powder on top and serve it. Now I garnished the soup with some fresh cream and served it. Do try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. Share this recipe video with your friends and family. I will post all the links to my blog and other social media handlings in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.